In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify versus Squarespace. If you're building an online store, the platform you choose will shape your daily workflow, how your site looks, and how easily you can scale. These two options are both excellent, but they're built with different priorities in mind, and understanding that difference will help you make a confident decision. Shopify is designed from the ground up for e-commerce. That means it excels at the operational side of running a store. You'll find robust inventory management to track stock, variants, and SKUs without hassle. It supports multiple payment gateways, so you can offer customers the checkout options they expect. Shipping is flexible too, with built-in tools for rates, labels, and different delivery methods as you grow. On top of that, Shopify includes marketing features like discount codes and abandoned cart recovery to help boost conversions. If you plan to add lots of products, expand to new regions, or integrate with a range of tools, this platform is built to handle that growth with minimal friction. Squarespace, on the other hand, is a website builder first, with elegant e-commerce added on. It's known for beautiful, modern templates and intuitive design tools that make it simple to create a polished, visually cohesive site. If your business is a small shop, a studio, or a creative brand that wants a strong, design-forward presence with a straightforward store, Squarespace shines. It can absolutely handle online sales, but its focus is simplicity and aesthetics, rather than complex store operations. That means it's ideal for smaller catalogs and uncomplicated selling needs rather than large-scale retail. Here's how to decide between them. If your priority is serious e-commerce functionality, things like detailed inventory control, multiple payment options, flexible shipping, and room to scale, Shopify will feel like the right tool for the job. If your top goal is a stunning website that's easy to build and maintain, and your store setup is relatively simple, Squarespace will likely save you time and look great doing it. A helpful tip is to list your must-have features before you choose. How many products you expect to manage, how complex your shipping will be, which payment methods you need, and how much design control you want. Then try the free trials to see which interface fits your workflow. In short, Shopify focuses on robust e-commerce functionality, while Squarespace prioritizes design and simplicity. Pick the one that aligns with your business goals today and where you want to grow tomorrow.